Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here. I'm back. I know it's been a while, I think 3 or 4 weeks maybe since I last uploaded a video. I know that's not normal for me. I normally have at least something up for you once a week, but I think I've just had a bit of a burnout moment again. Yeah, you know how it is with me. I go like crazy for a few months and then burn out, have a couple of weeks off, refresh and come back. And to be honest, I mean, more so than anything, like I've had a few times where I thought, yeah, I want to film this for you guys, but I've packed on so much weight over the last few months and I just haven't wanted to be in front of the camera. So that's another reason why I haven't really been filming either. I'm back on my diet again, back on keto anyway. I'm not going to call it a diet, but back onto the more healthier style of eating and hopefully get some of this weight off again. Because yeah, all my efforts at the beginning of this year have all come back on, plus about 4 more kilos on top of that. So it's just a vicious cycle, but hopefully I will maybe even start doing a few more keto vlogs as well to help keep me motivated, and then for you guys that were enjoying them as well, some new videos in that regard. I've been starting to watch, I know these are probably old shows for you guys, but I've not really gotten into TV shows or TV series much, but we've been just started watching Lucifer. I think we're up to the 2nd season. And Ozark, is that how you say it? Ozark or Ozark? Just started watching that. I think we're still into the 1st season of that. So we've been enjoying those. That's what I've been doing instead of cleaning and organizing. I have prepared at least one Halloween project so far. I've got a few more up my sleeve that I will be doing and preparing over the next few weeks and start dishing those out probably towards the end of August, beginning of September. So you can look forward to some of those. What else have I been doing? I have been updating my whole planner situation. I've designed my own planner pages, like weekly planner pages, as well as my own bullet journal collections and different things like that I'll be adding to my planner. So those few videos are going to be coming up for you guys soon as well. That's basically what I've been spending a lot of my time doing, is just getting all my planner the way I want it, and the pages and collections and different lists and different sections in my planner are organized, and I've been preparing all the actual pages to use, like little templates that I can use in my planner. But I'm also going to see if I can share those blank pages with you guys somehow, like put them in like a PDF file and upload it somewhere. I haven't worked out how to do any of that yet, but if I can, I definitely want to share those with you guys. So those are another couple of videos that will be coming up very shortly. As well as the planner side, I've been doing quite a bit of AliExpress hauling at the moment. So a lot of the stuff has already arrived. There's still a lot of stuff that I'm waiting on getting here. And when all of that has arrived, there'll be like a planner, stationery supply, journaling type haul from AliExpress. And I'm also going to be doing a series of videos of what's in my bag, because a lot of the stuff I've been buying off AliExpress is in preparation for these what's in my bag videos as well. What I've decided to do is have a different bag each season. So, I mean, I'm not a person that really dresses up stylishly. I mean, hello, this is my everyday wear. So I'm not the type of person that like matches my bag and shoes. I mean, I basically only ever wear black yoga pants, whether it's at work, whether it's on the weekend, whether we're going out. It's always black yoga pants and some other top. Usually I can find a little bit of a more fancier top for work or for going out, but yeah, I'm not really one of those stylish people that has fashion type style or anything like that. So I don't match my bags with my outfits or anything like that. So what I've decided to do is have one bag a different colored bag for each season. It'll make more sense once I actually do the video and you'll see what I mean. So I've been collecting a few bits and pieces that I've needed from AliExpress that's going to go in each of those bags because I'm color coordinating everything basically. And I've based it on the 4 planners that I've got left. So I've got a purple Filofax, a grey Filofax, a pink Kmart A5 planner, and a mint coloured Kiki K A5 planner. So based on those 4 colours of planners, I'm matching my bag and everything in it depending on the season. So yeah, there'll be at least 4 videos coming out with, you know, as the seasons progress. Hopefully if everything arrives before winter is out, so before the end of this month, if everything arrives, I will do my first one showing you what's in my winter bag, what I've got, and then I can do one as soon as September starts, which will be here in Australia. It will actually be spring, so then I can show you what will be in my spring bag, and then again when summer starts, summer bag. So there's going to be 4 videos that I've got planned coming up for you guys as well. I'm always looking now. I've got my planner sitting in front of me actually, and I've just got a list of stuff that I wanted to include in this video so I don't forget. I will be joining Claire at Claire's Crafty Corner later on this month. I think the end of this month. I'm pretty sure it's the 30th of August. God, I hope it wasn't the 1st of August. Pretty sure it's the 30th of August. I'll get this straight. So I'll be joining Claire again. If you guys remembered, if you've subscribed to me before, we teamed up together to do a house tour. I think it might have been back in Easter where we took you through. Claire lives in the UK, so we did like full house tour collaboration where we took you through our home. So I'll be teaming up with Claire again, as well as a handful of other girls or other YouTube channels. Will be joining that little collab at the end of August. So we're going to be doing some sort of autumn DIY decor collab with all of us guys then. So yeah, that will be another video coming up. This weekend, I'll be filming a couple of videos. So there'll be a few coming out over the next couple of days and weeks. So obviously this life update will be hopefully going up either today, which is Friday here, Friday the 2nd of August. Yeah, so hopefully if I can get it up this evening, I will set that to go. Otherwise it'll go up tomorrow on Saturday. I'll also be filming my latest Planners Anonymous subscription box unboxing for this month. Yes, it's come round again. I think my very last video that I did was the Planners Anonymous unboxing, and already we're up to the next month. So I've got that one to film. Also, there'll be a couple of journal type videos coming up, like I said, with my AliExpress haul. A lot of those bits and pieces that I've been buying have been to get into some junk journaling. I've also been doing a bit of thrift store hauling, buying some old vintage books from my local thrift stores to get into that journaling process. So there'll be a few videos coming up on that topic. Also this weekend, I will be filming, me and my husband will be tackling the garage. We've got an area in our garage that we are solely using just for storage, and it is basically out of hand at the moment. So we'll be filming that tomorrow, organizing it, rearranging it, decluttering it, getting rid of stuff. That will be happening tomorrow. And I've also been doing a bit of hauling for getting prepared for springtime here, which, like I said, will start in September, and getting some garden decor things together. So once spring comes, I'll be doing a few garden style videos where I will be starting to get our garden a bit more decorated, because it's just very plain at the moment, apart from our fruit trees and olive trees and that sort of thing. So there are another few videos that will be coming up. I'm hoping to I've already done one Halloween project. It's completed already. I just need to basically edit it and do a thumbnail, and that's ready to go. But I'm going to hold that until I reckon about the beginning of September. I don't want to start releasing Halloween too soon. I reckon a month before is probably good. So around end of August, beginning of September. And I'm hoping to get at least maybe 3 to 4 other Halloween projects up for you guys. And that's mainly why I want to get our garage organized and sorted, because all of my seasonal decor is stored there, and at the moment it's all over the place. So I can't even get to my Halloween stuff at the moment. So I want to try and have it all organized and finished so that I know exactly where it is once Halloween comes. Oh, and one other little shout out I wanted to do. I've only just discovered this person, and she's like a little ball of sunshine. She's just so lovely, and her channel is amazing. She does DIY decor. She's absolutely, I have no idea where she gets her ideas from, because they're just out of this world. Like, there's not many channels that take my breath away, like where I think, wow, that is so cool. But yeah, nearly every single one of her videos I watch and think, wow, that is awesome. Like, how did she even come up with that? And I didn't even realize, but I just saw, I think it was on a news feed or something, that her young daughter, who I think is only maybe 2 or 3 years old, I think she was diagnosed with cancer or leukemia very, very like early on. So she's been struggling with that. And I think they're like, you know, it's obviously it's an ongoing thing. So I didn't even realize that she was going through all this. And obviously she wants to be at home with her daughter to try and give her all the love and support and care that she needs while she's going through this. And her channel obviously will allow her to stay at home with her daughter. You know, if her channel grows, her channel's been growing rapidly. Like, she was literally, I think I maybe discovered her a couple of months ago, and she had like 3,000 subscribers. Probably by the time this video's up, she'll have more subscribers than me, because like she's just growing so quickly. But I do want to encourage all you guys. I'll put her channel or information in this corner here somewhere so you can see. So her channel name is DIY Home and Crafts. I will leave a link to her channel below. Her name's Jazz, and she's so lovely. She's just like a little bundle of sunshine on the screen. She's really nice. And I just want, maybe if all you guys watching this could go check out her channel. I am no doubt you'll want to subscribe, because her videos are amazing. They're all in English. They're very easy to follow. She's a lovely, lovely girl. And if we can get her channel to grow for her so that it allows an income to come in that will allow her to stay at home with her daughter while they're going through this, that would be awesome. And if you go over and check out her channel, leave her a comment, tell her that I sent you. I don't think she knows I'm doing this, so, you know, yeah, I haven't actually spoken to her or anything like that, but I just love watching her. She's just so lovely. So yeah, definitely check out her channel, subscribe if you can, watch her videos, leave her a comment, show her some support. She's just so nice. And like I said, if you like my style of DIYs, you're gonna love hers, because I am blown away by her DIYs. I love them so much. So yeah, definitely support her if you can. And that's pretty much it for this video. I think I've just rambled on enough. So if you guys have made it to the end, thumbs up to you guys. Like, you deserve something, because honestly, I just feel like I've just rambled about crap that no one would even care about. So I'll leave it at that for this video. I'm going to now film my subscription box video, and yeah, get some other stuff organized for you guys. I will hope to see you soon, very, very soon. I'm sorry I took so long a break, but I'm back now. So yeah, keep your comments coming. Love to chat with you guys again, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.